Hey guys, what is going on? It is Dr. Linz, and today we're going to be doing my favorite short that I own review. But before I get into it, don't forget to give this a like and subscribe so you never miss another helpful video. I will also link these up, and in all my YouTube videos, I have the links at the bottom, and they help support me. So just send me over an email and I'll continue to help you out with whatever you need. I appreciate it so much, and I love chatting with y'all. Okay, so let's go ahead and get into it. My favorite Lululemon short, and also my favorite short in general that I have right now, is their Tracker V is what I call it, or the Tracker 5, I don't know the right terminology, but the Tracker V short. I really enjoy these. I have a smaller-ish waist, I would say, and then I do have bigger hips and legs. So that is one big reason why I love these shorts, because they are not super tight on my legs and they fit my waist. And there's a few reasons why I think these work for, you know, that kind of body type like I have. But before I get into all these details, give you my height and weight. I am 5'3", 150, 145, around that range, so you guys get an idea, and I would say I'm more muscular on the muscular side or curvier side. So let's go ahead and get into the deets of these shorts. So the first thing that I liked, and I wasn't sure that they were gonna fit like they do, is that they are high-waisted. So you can see in the video, I pull them up higher. And there's a few reasons why I think I'm able to do that with these shorts. One, there is a nice thick waistband that I really like, and it's kind of scrunchy, which I think that's really cute and kind of tapers in the waist a little bit. And then number two, there's a drawstring, which is stretchy as well. So when I pull them up higher, I then tie the drawstring so they don't like slip down, you know, down on my hips, and they stay up on my waist up higher. So that's two reasons, right? The thick band, the drawstring really holds that in. These are a size 8. So compared to like the spandex leggings I have are a size 4. So that's quite a big size difference. And again, it's because just shorts in general, as you guys know, they don't stretch as much. But with these, they do have just a tiny bit of stretch, which is nice. So, you know, that's another thing I really like about those shorts, is in general they fit my legs, which is heaven sent. Another cool feature about the short is you got a little pocket here, which is actually pretty convenient because it's on the side of your booty and you can actually reach it instead of like behind, like on the back waistband where it's usually at. So I have actually used this when we go walk and stuff. I actually will put something in here, like our little key fob and things like that. So that's really nice that it's actually accessible to me, and I really like that. Okay, and one of the other features that I'd like to point out that I do like, I know I like everything about these shorts, I know it might be annoying at this point, is the length. They're not super short, they're not long, they're just the right length for me on my leg, and so they don't show too much. My booty's not hanging out at the bottom, and it's just fine. This color I feel I can dress up, and then I can also like make look a little bit sportier. They do not have this color right now because, guys, I've had these shorts for probably 2 years now, and they still, to me, they look like new. But they have a beautiful Hawaiian blue color that I have my eye on. They also have black and white and gray and those kind of colors too. Last feature I would like to note is the Builtin undies. Builtin undies. I usually hate Builtin underwear because they don't fit my booty. I mean, I think you can agree with that. Drop below if you agree with that. But these, and I've noticed Lululemon starting to do this, they stretch. So you can wrap them around your butt because they stretch. So we all have different size bottoms, and so I like that the Builtin underwear actually stretches around your tushy, so they will fit you and not make you look like you have a diaper butt or whatever. So all in all, these are the Tracker V short, my favorite short that I own, and I'm not just saying that, I really love these. Give them a go this spring or summer if you're looking for a comfortable short that you can wear to the beach, to the lake, grocery shopping, you can work out in, you can literally do everything in these shorts. All right, guys, I hope this helped you out because I know for me, it's really hard to find shorts. Let me know below if you need anything more. And don't forget, I have these linked up for you guys. All right, until next time, we'll talk to you later.